On to somebody else.
Stop this passing each other around.
All right, complex fractions, and then I'll show you rational equations. Both sheets will, yes. So it'll be a double homework assignment for. But remember, this one was a double grade to start with, so that'll be 10 points plus the one from tonight, the rational equation. Yeah, did it start with 1 over 10? All right, here's what we're going to do. This is just an example I had already written down. So complex fractions are fractions within fractions. So whenever I have, what's that R in the, all right. I've got fractions and fractions, and I have to do some manipulation and some stuff to the top and the bottom before I can actually combine them. If there is a contact there, I am going to.
Mr. McGee, I think that's one that you would write up personally.
Technically, I've got the 5-day grace period, so we're not going to make this one work. It's not even going to turn out. It's like 12 years old and doesn't have service anymore.
What I feel like you're like. Go.
12 years old and doesn't have service?
Yes. Go sit down. All right, we don't have a lot of time. Go sit down. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work the top first, and I'm going to work it as its own problem, same way I've been doing, right? All right, that's okay. I need an LCD, right? That's what the first one needs, right? But the so the first one needs 4R. I don't know why my pen's writing so.
Oh, it doesn't have an R.
Oh, square. I'm trying to fix my pen, and in the meantime, everything. All right, and the second one needs nothing, right? So I have 4R squared, and I'm going to go ahead and put them over the same denominator because that was kind of the whole point. I do these in sections. I'll do top, bottom together. Okay. I could simplify it a bit. What do you notice? Perfect squares, difference of two squares, right? So 2R minus 3, 2R plus 3, and it's all over 40R squared. And I'm going to stop right there. I will generally circle mine. That's the top, and that's the top simplified. Does that make sense to everybody? All right, okay. Oh, no, there is no sum of squares. There's only difference of squares. It just doesn't work. There's a sum of cubes. All right, let's do the bottom. I've got 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2R. What's the LCD? 6R. What does the first one need? A 2R. And the second one needs what? A 3. So now I end up with 2R minus 3 over 6R. That's exactly right. Is there anything else I can do? No. All right, this is the bottom simplified. No, because you can't divide the 3 by the 2, yeah. But you could, if that 3 had been a 6 or a 4 or anything like that, you could take a 2 out. All right, so now here's the new stuff, right? I've got, so now I do together. What's impossible? Because I'm dividing a fraction by a fraction, so I do the top, which is 2R minus 3, 2R plus, and this is why if you've already factored and simplified everything completely, it makes life so much easier. because now times, I'm going to flip over that second fraction. And now I can just start crossing stuff out. 2r minus 3. What else? Because I've got a fraction divided by a fraction. So instead I do top times flip the bottom up. Multiply by our 6. It's always multiplied. You can always enclose the entire bottom or entire top in parentheses. Is that it? Is that all I could do? So 6r, 2r plus 3 over 40r squared, that's as much as I can do.
No.
No, what else do you see? I can definitely simplify the 6 and the 40. Did you say FOIL? FOIL would undo what I've already done. Yeah, you already GCF'd it, so to FOIL it out would go backwards. All right, what does that reduce to? 6 over 40 reduces to 3 over 20. Can you do anything else? Exactly. You can cancel an R out. There's one R up top, 2 R's in the bottom, so I could take one of those away. So simplified. No, you don't. Now I'm done. Because there was 2 in the bottom and 1 in top. So really it was like this and 2 in the bottom, so I took 1 away from top and bottom. You can do that. Let's do one more. I think I'm probably going to change my mind again about y'all's homework.
What's it gonna be?
Oh, you're gonna ask.
Yeah, ladies' law.
Yeah, very good.
Let's do another one.
That's already wrong.
What are you talking about?
You already wrote it down.
This is a doozy, so says Noah. Simplify. No.
We gotta do the top first.
Common biggest factor.
Solve it before you.
When to go? What is it?
Like it's a Sarah bar. As you drop it all over my floor. You're lost? Okay.
Right? Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead with the top if you're still working and pondering and carry on. But here, I want to find an LCD. What's the LCD? 6. So the first fraction needs what? A 3. The second one needs what? Nothing. I'm okay, right? So I get 3y cubed plus y squared over 6. And I may even go a step further and factor that y squared out, because everything needs to be completely factored. It's going to make your life a lot easier in the end. All right, there's the top. Now, let's ignore that for right now, and let's move on to the bottom. Yep. Oh, it is +1, sorry. Sorry, I hope you're not writing in pen. All right, this one's a little bit harder to see because there's a 1 there and there is no denominator. It does have a denominator. What is the denominator? 1, right? This is really 1/1. Yes? So the LCD is going to be 3y. So that's exactly right. I'm going to have 3y over 3y plus 1 over 3y. Yes? Bottom. Simplified. Everybody okay with that? All right. Let's put what? Let's put them together now. We're going to do first fraction times, and then I'm going to flip that second fraction over. 3y over 3y plus 1. Can I put parentheses around this 3? Yes, because that's the entire denominator. That's right. And now I can start crossing wherever I can, whatever factors cancel. So 3y plus 1. The 3 and the 6 will also simplify, right? To 1 over 2. 3 over 6 is the same thing as 1/2, right? So now I have y to the third. So there's my final answer. Tell me what you think about complex fractions.
They're still complex.
Let's do one more, because I'm just going to stop with complex fractions today.
I have more paper, sir.
But this, I've already wrote solid rational equations.
Put another paper in between.
I don't understand how that happened.
Right on the back.
That is the math.
Say again? Yeah.
Okay, up, Smitty. Hold up. Okay, is up.
Okay, let's look at this one. Several of you are stumped on this one.
LCD is the hardest.
I bet you are. The LCD is the hardest?
No, I don't know.
All right, tell me this. For the top. For the top. Oops. What's the LCD? So, what does the 10m squared, yeah, or 10nm squared, same thing, yep. So what does the first one need? 2m squared. 2m squared. What does the second one need? Just an n, right? All right, so I end up with 8m to the third plus n to the third. Oh, I see why this one's... It is. Little parenthesis, big parenthesis, same change plus. Oh, see, y'all over here laughing like it's funny.
What he said was funny.
I'm not laughing.
No, you're not. We see a sum of 2 cubes. Do y'all see that? Because 8's a perfect cube, m cubed is a perfect cube, n is a perfect cube. So in order to make sure this is fully factored before I go on, I'm going to factor that cubic. So I'm going to do little parenthesis, big parenthesis. That's right. Same change plus. What goes in the first set of parentheses? 2m, that's right, because it's what times itself 3 times gives you this. What goes in the second spot n. Now I use this to write the second trinomial there. So 2m squared would give you 4m squared. You square the first for the first spot, you square the last for the last spot, and then you put them together for the middle. There you go. And then everything is still over this. What is going on? We're factoring. That's it for the top.
I don't know how to do it. Like the little.
Okay, so this is a cubed plus b cubed is a plus b, a squared minus
That come up pretty often.
ab fairly often.
Wow. Alright, I need to write that down.
Yeah, definitely write that.
This is the only one that's big.
Yeah. Yeah, we will. Bottom. I'm running short on time. I got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Bottom. 1 over n squared plus 1 over 2mn. The LCD, not GCF, is 2mn squared. What does the first one need? What's the second one need? An n. I end up with 2m plus n over 2mn squared. Nothing can be factored or simplified there. Okay? I'm 100% sure. No. Because the n doesn't, yeah. All right, let's put them together. I'm going to take the top and I'm going to multiply and I'm just going to flip this one over. Look at here. That cancels. Almost always, yes. Almost always. For you right now, yes. 2 and 10 would give me 1 and 5. Actually, I could, yep, that's right. M and N, just one of them though. All right, so let's get everything that we've got left. I see 4m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. And I've still got this lone n that sits right there on the side. That's that n that was right there. There was 2 and I just marked 1 out. All right, listen, y'all are getting a bit restless.